Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Up here on the info board, you'll find some information that you may find useful. How to get a hold of us, how to look at some cool shit on the interweb. Right here in front of us we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Hemi boosters that we need to put together. And I've been working on them for quite some time. I just finished putting this together. So when it comes to this Hemi booster for Wesson Wax right here. So when it comes to these big old tandem boosters, so the first thing is you got to be able to get them apart. And uncrimping these son of bitches, even if you know what you're doing, it's not a small task. I'm going to tell you that nobody has dreams about splitting booster cases. Just not happening. So, get them apart, get them all cleaned up, then we have to get our parts so that we can put them back together. These guts have all been put back together. As you can see, they have all new rubbers, all new seals inside and out, hub seals, poppet seals, yada yada yada. So here we go. And I just got done putting this one together. And shit, it wore me out. It's been a couple months since I beat on one that hard. So anyway, here we go. So if you need your booster rebuilt for your Mopar or your Ford, I'm your guy, the brake answer man, and I can help you out. And yeah, that's a pretty sight, isn't it? See how we do. That's how we relocate the studs. We re-drill the cans, and braze the studs in. You can see that these are like the factory studs. They've been turned on the end. There's a changeover rear case. Here's an original rear case. So, yeah, it's a little bit of work. Gotta do a little bit. So, if you need that done, or you need some advice, or you think I may be able to help you out, you give us a buzz. No, I've never taken any videos like this, but I didn't want to move all these fucking boosters. So, there you go, my friends. God bless you. God bless America, and happy Mopar. Bye.